today's tutorial we'll be doing the rope twist waterfall accompanied by 2 flower braids. Let's get started. What I first did was to wet her hair down. You could do them dry, but I prefer them wet because she's got ridiculous flyaways, and when it gets dry, it just goes everywhere. So I also use some gel to control the flyaways too. So on this side, I start by taking a little piece and I split them in half, and I take this one over and I twist it. Just like this. Then I grab a slice from here, put it right in between the strands. I'm going to take this and twist it. And then you just continue. Pulling these down and twist. In between here, twist it. I'm going to try to get a little pieces, little strands in between the twist. Take a little bit, and you want to take them from up here. You don't want to take it down here. You want to take them from up here. Twist. What I'll do is I'll tie this off with a elastic band. Fix this up a little bit. I'm going to take it over here. Take a little strand right towards the temple, right in the middle. Okay, so split this in half. And you're going to take this one over this one. Just like this, okay? You want to do is take a little piece, a little slice right here. Put it in between that 2 strands that you just cross over. And you're going to do the same thing, twist it, grab a slice from up here. Put it between and twist. Like this. You continue all the way until you get to, you reach to the other side of your rope twist. This one right here. Okay, so you take these 2 that are together, put these strands into an elastic band. Adjust them. Then I'm going to do the same thing over again on this side right here. Three-strand braid. just continue all the way down to the end. So now I have this extra piece, this extra long piece right here. With my last twist, I'm just going to clip it and make a loop right here, just like this. And what I'm going to do is just take it and just wrap it around. Just, when I wrap it around, I'm going to take that little section and just put it in between the other elastic bands, okay? So I don't have that extra long piece. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna roll it. Once you like the way your flower is shaped, you can actually take something, some kind of hair accessory and put it right in the middle to accent the flower. And also hide the bobby pin too as well. And there you have the rope twist waterfall accompanied by 2 flower braids. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the link below. We'll see you next week and have a good day. Bye everyone.
Bye.